Last week, I was trying to organize a football game. So I sent a message to the group chat, 23 to 27 people. Nobody responded properly. Half of them are busy and can't join. The other say yes and cancel at the last minute. We ended up with 5 players on a 7v7 pitch. It was a disaster. As I was frustrated, I realized that this happens every single time. Either 1 to 2 players are missing, so we end up canceling the entire game or postponing it, or me wanting to play a game on Monday, and all of my friends are not available at that time. It would be great if I can just find people that I can play a game with based on my location. It's okay for me if I play with people that I don't know. So I built something that hopefully will fix it. So Kawer is simple. You open it, you see football games near you, and you could join a game or create your own game. People could join you. You could see the list of players and how many spots are left, who's already joined, and what is the cost of the game. Let me just show you. So this is the home screen, dark theme obviously. I was not going to build a white app. You can see the games near you. Right now only one game, which is pretty far. You could see the details of the game, who's playing, how many is left. Let's create a new game. For example, 7v7. We could select the pitch, for example, this one. We could give it a name. The cost of the game is 10 Tunisian dinars. Okay, let's make it public and let's put it as competitive game. And there it is. It is 1 kilometer away from me. It got my location and everything is working well. You could share the app, cancel it because you are the admin, create a new crew. So a private crew is like a group where you could create like friends group, and by giving this code to my friends, they could join the crew, and we could only post games just for this crew. I mean, when I go like game 1, let's say 11 versus 11, I'd put a date as tomorrow 6 p.m. and the number will be 22. The costs, let's say 11 dinars. And yeah, so this will notify my friends, and currently it's supposed to notify my friends, but notification is not yet implemented. You can see the list of games that you have joined or organized. Those are previous games, and yeah, that's the app. So where we stand right now, the app mostly works, but there are some essential things that we need to talk about. For now, posting a game works, authentication works well, crew part works well, but what it doesn't have is real users. Now it is just me and my friends testing it. We did not even reach 12 users, so that the app will be available on the Play Store. I did not submit it yet for the App Store. But before we go into that, there are some critical parts of the app that we need to tackle, which is notification, because it plays a major role on reminding people one day before the game, or 1 hour before the game starts. Every player need get notified. The second thing is, I realized this when I was testing it with my friend. The app currently does not include the app currently, when you go to the game details, it does not show you the location or the map view of the pitch. I think I need to add that along with the link so that you could open the location on Google Maps. So yes, that's it for now. Once I'm done with the notification, I will start testing it, me and my friends, and sharing the app with other people. Alright, that's it for the devlog number 1. See you on the next one.